In this video, I'm gonna show you 4 hidden secrets of Instagram. The first Instagram trick is about adding your story. Tap on this button and type front solo. There are a lot of animated emojis or GIFs that you can add on your story. These GIFs are also very popular on Instagram business accounts. The second Instagram secret is when you hold your finger on the send button and you can send a post to the most recent followers without searching them. The third Instagram trick is when you want to send a direct message to someone without them receiving any notification. They will be aware of the message only when they open their direct messages. You only need to type @silent before your message, and that's it. For the fourth Instagram secret, tap on the menu on top and select setting. Choose account and then cellular data use. Here you can save your internet usage a lot.